hope you enjoyed that little snippet of my life. That was a Thursday day I went to volunteer, as you could see in the video. It's actually Saturday, 9:30 p.m. I haven't edited my video yet, but I'm about to. And I had to film this because my face needs to be in the video, so yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Right now I'm doing my math homework. I'm also recording what I spend for my College 1 class, because apparently we're gonna make a budget, and I mean, like, I literally just pay for parking and buy food, so that'll be fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a lot of content prepared, so you'll see soon enough what that is, but bye for now, and I will see you next Sunday.